Continuation of meeting number 9. So this is no longer techniques of integration. This is another topic, and that is the definite integral. So the definite integral, if the function of x, the integral of function of x and x is equal to a and x is equal to b are the two values of x, then the change in the values of the integral as a function of x as x changes from a to b, the quantity f of b minus f of a is called the definite integral of function of x between the limits a and b. So denoted by the symbol, the integral function of x dx is equal to function of x, and then we have the lower limit a and then the higher limit b. So equals function of b minus function of a, where a is the lower limit and b is the upper limit. So for the general properties of definite integral, the integral of a b dx is equal to b minus a. Ano ba ang integral ng dx? Di ba x? O substitute mo yung higher limit minus lower limit. Ano yung higher limit? 11. Ano yung lower limit? 7. So 11 minus 7 is 4. Ganun lang. Parang substitute natin yung higher minus lower limit. Ganon. Doon sa sagot natin. For number 2, let's say may constant na. So i-multiply mo lang yung constant. For number 3, the integral of k as a function of x. So ngayon, constant na. Tapos may function. Labas yung k. And then, apply ulit yung limits. So for number 4, negative. Kumbaga kanina, higher minus lower. Ngayon, lower minus higher. And then for number 5 is the summation. Okay, example. We have the integral of 2x plus 3 dx. The limit is from 1 to 2. Pag sinabing definite, ibig sabihin, mayroon ng limit, may hangganan na. So yung mga previous topics natin, lahat yon hanggang techniques of integration ng by parts is indefinite integral. Ibig sabihin, ang sagot natin in terms of variable. But this time, definite ang sagot natin ay by numbers. Okay, so here, ano ba yung integral niyan? Diba? Ang integral niyan ay 2x square over 2 plus 3x. Diba? Yan ang sagot niyan, ano? Pag in-integrate natin yan, siyempre pag nag-integrate ka, wala na yung symbol. Ano ba? Limits, 1 to 2. So, this is now equal to x square plus 3x and then 1 to 2. Saan galing yun? Kinansel ko lang yung 2 doon, okay? So, that is equivalent to, substitute natin yung higher limit, 2 square plus 3 times 2. Para sa 2 yun, lahat substitute mo yung 2 and then minus lower limit, this is the higher limit, minus lower limit, 1 square plus, and then 3 times 1. So, equals. So, that is 4 plus 6. Okay? And then minus 1 plus 3. Okay, that is equivalent to 10 minus 4. And that is equal to 6. Anong theorem yan? Yan yung by theorem ng number 3. Tama ba? Nung number 3. Bakit number 3? Kasi number 3 as a function of x, kumbaga isang function niya. Ngayon, pagka naman gusto mo ay this is by theorem 3. Okay? Now, by theorem 5. Ano yung theorem 5? Okay. We have the integral of 1 to 2x dx plus integral 1 to 3 dx. Okay? Yung sum. Okay. Equals. Ano ba yung integral nun? Do 2x square over 2. Okay? And then the limit is from 1 to 2. And then plus, okay, this is 3. And then x. The limit is from 1 to 2. Okay? So, equals. So, cancel yon. So, x square, limits 1, 2, plus 3x, limits is 1, 2. So, equals. So, 2 square minus 1 square. Okay? Plus, that is for x square. And then plus, I have here 3 times 2 for higher limit, minus 3 times 1 for lower limit. Okay? So, equals. So, 4 minus 1 and then plus, this is 6 minus 3, so equals 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So talaga 6 ang sagot. Okay? Yan yung definite integral. That is only example number 1. For example number 2, the integral of x squared plus 3x dx, the limit is from 0 to 3. So kahit anong theorem ang gamitin ninyo, 3 or 5, basta tama sagot, okay lang. So for number 3, diretso na natin yung sagot, ano? So equals x cubed over 3 and then plus 3x squared over 2. The limit is from 0 to 3. O, alam nyo na yan. Tagal na natin nag-integrate. Ano? Ano in-integrate yan? No? In-integrate lang natin yan. So, equals. Apply now the limits. 3 cubed over 3 plus 3 and then 3 squared over 2. That is for higher limit. And then minus the lower limit. We have 0 cube over 3 plus 3, 0 square over 2. So equals. So 3 cube is 27 over 3 plus 3 times 9 is also 27 over 2. And this is 0, no? So minus 0. So equals 27 over 3 plus 27 over 2. So is equal to, ang denominator niya ay 6. So 6 times 3, calculate na lang to guys. So this is 45 over 2. Yan ang answer niya. Kasi ito ay 9 plus 27 over 2. Ano ba yung 27 over 2? Di ba 13.5? Kaya ang sagot dyan ay 22.5, no? Okay. Pero ang answer natin in fraction, ha? Hindi in decimal. O, pwede na rin. Eh. Ganun. Okay? Pwede yan. Isa lang naman. Okay? That is number 2. For number 3 example. So, expand muna natin yan. And then we have square of binomial x to the 4 plus 2x squared plus 1 and then dx. So, ang answer niyan ay x to the 5th over 5 plus 2x cube over 3 and then plus x. Now, apply now the limits from negative 1 to 1. Okay? So, ano ginawa? Ito, in-expand. Hindi, in-expand mo pa lang, nag-integrate ka pa rin. Pag in-integrate mo na to, alam mo na yan dahil tagal na natin nag-integrate, tsaka mo i-apply yung limits. So, we have 1 raised to 5 all over 5 plus 2, 1 raised to 3 over 3 plus 1. That is the higher limit. Minus the lower limit. Na-substitute mo lang ganon. All over 5 plus 2 negative 1. Okay. Plus negative 1. Okay. So this is 1 over 5 plus 2 over 3 plus 1. That is for higher limit. Minus. Okay. So pagka yung negative, in exponent mo, ni-raise mo sa add, negative pa rin yun. Pero pag even, magiging positive na. So this is the negative 1 over 5. Okay. And then plus, so this is negative 2 over 3. Kasi negative 1 yan, times 2. Negative 2 over 3. Or, mamaya na, sige, minus 1. So, this is, okay, calculate natin to. Okay, nung kinalcue, ito, 1/5 plus 2/3 plus 1 is this, 28 over 15, and then minus, tingnan nyo, pare-pares lang naman sila, oh, kaya lang isa negative. Kaya sagot din yung 28 over 15, kaya lang negative. So, magiging plus na yan. So, 28 over 15 plus 28 over 15 is equal to, ano? 56 over 15. Yun ang ating final answer. That is for problem number 3. Problem number 4. Okay? So, mapapansin ninyo, derivative nito yon. So, techniques of integration nito by substitution, di ba? So, para hindi ka malito, kunin mo muna yung integral niyan. So, ano ang u mo? x square minus 3x plus 2. Ano ang du? That is 2x minus 3. And then dx. So, sabihin yan ay ang integral ng u and then du is equivalent to u square over 2. Okay? Kaya lang, naka-raise ba saan yun? Sorry, naka-raise sa 3. So, that is, ang integral ng u cube du ay u to the 4th all over 4. Okay? So, ngayon, sa-substitute mo. Okay, yung limits, 1 to 3. So, ano yung answer natin? U. Ang U mo ay yung x square minus 3x plus 2 raised to 4. Okay? And then, divided by 4. Apply now the limits from 1 to 3. Okay? Check natin. Okay, tama guys. So, equals, we have 4 square minus 3 times 4. O, bakit 4 pala? 3 lang. Okay? 3. Ayun yung upper limit. Square minus 3 times 3. Then plus 2 raised to 4. Okay? Over 4. Okay? So, lahat ito ay naka-raise sa 4. Ganyan. Okay? And then, minus lower limit. Ang lower limit mo ay 1 square minus 3 times 1 plus 2. Okay? And then, lahat ito ay naka-raise sa 4. And then, all divided by 4. Okay? So, we have 9 minus 9 plus 2 over 4. This is raised to 4. And then, minus. This is 1 minus 3 plus 2 raised to 4 over 4. Okay? Equals. So, this is cancel. So, ano natira doon? 2 raised to 4 over 4. And then, minus. This is 0. Okay? So, that is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Diba? Yun yun. Over 4. So, cancel yan. So, ano natira? 4. So, yun ang ating final answer. 4. Okay? Number 5. So, the integral of dx over x squared plus 4, the limit is from negative 2 to 2. So, remember guys, this is u all over a. And then, arctan of u all over a plus c. Okay? 1 over a, I mean, 1 over a. So, ano yan? 1 over, ano yung a mo? 2. Kasi, ang 2 square ay 4. Alam na yan. Arctan, ano yung u mo? X over, and then, 2. And then, plus c. Okay, wala kang plus c kasi definite integral ito. The limit is from negative 2 to 2. Okay, then tayo sa substitute. So, equals 1 half. And then, arctan, higher limit, okay, minus, lower limit, 1 half, arctan, negative 2 over 2. Okay, ano ba yung, di ba ito 1? Ngayon, ano yung arctan ng 1? Ang arctan ng 1 ay 45 degrees. Tingnan nyo sa calculate nyo. Okay, minus 1 half and then negative 45 degrees. Okay, so ano ba yung, so magiging ano to? Magiging plus, di ba? 1 half of 45 degrees plus 1 half of 45 degrees. Okay, wala ako ng calculate. Okay, so continue. So, this is 22.5 plus 22.5 is equal to 45 degrees. Now, hindi yan magiging answer natin in terms of degrees. Dapat in terms of pi. So, convert natin for every 180 degrees is pi. Alam niyo yun sa triangle. So, equals to 45 pi all over 180 cancel. So that is pi over 4. Yan ang final answer natin. So your 45 degrees is pi over 4 such that your 90 degrees is pi over 2 and pi is 180. So in terms of pi dapat yung sagot. The answer is pi over 4. Number 6. The integral of x square root of x minus 2. The limit is from 2 to 3. So pwede itong by substitution and then pwede itong by parts. Unahin natin yung substitution. So in here, let u is equal to square root of x minus 2 such that u square is equal to x minus 2. So tingnan natin kung tama, no? Okay. And then our u square plus 2 is equal to x. So 2u du is equal to dx. Okay, nakalimutan ng dx sa problem. Okay? So next, ano gagawin? Mag-substitute na tayo ngayon. So this is now equal to, tanggalin muna natin yung limits, ano? Ano yung x mo? U square plus 2. Okay? And then multiply by u. And then your dx is 2u du. By substitution ito, ha? Okay? So I have here the integral of 2, integral of u plus 2u, okay, and then times u, and then du. So 2, the integral of u to the 4 plus 2u square, and then du is equal to 2 u to the 5th all over 5 plus 2, 4 u cube over 3. Huwag ka magpa-plus ha. Apply mo na ngayon yung limits. The limits is from 2 to 3. Check lang natin, ha? So, tama tayo. Ngayon, ano ba yung u mo? No? So, we have 2. And then, ang u mo ay square root of x minus 2. And then, raised to 5 over 5 plus 4. And then, square root of x minus 2. And then, raised to 3. All over 3. Okay, the limit is from 2 to 3. So, equals 2. And then, 3 minus 2 raised to 5. Square root. Okay, raised to 5. All over 5. Plus 4 square root of 3 minus 2 raised to 3. All over 3. Minus lower limit. So this is higher limit. Minus lower limit. 2. And then 2 minus 2. This is 0, diba? Kahit square root mo yan, tapos i-square mo, flip mo, 0 pa din. And then plus 4, 2 minus 2 over 3, and this is raised to 3. That's lower limit. So 0, 0, 0. So ano natira? So this is 2 all over 5, and this is 1. Bakit? 3 minus 2 is 1 to the 5th, 1. And then plus 4 over 3. Okay, and this is also 1. Okay, so that is 15. 3 times 2, and then plus 5 times 4. So equals 6 plus 20 over 15 is equal to 26 over 15. So tandaan nyo ha, yan ang sagot natin, 26 over 15. Susulat ko dito, 26 over 15. That is by substitution. Okay, let's solve this problem this time by parts. So, pipili tayo ng u tsaka dv. Ang u natin dito ay x, ang du ay dx. And then, ano ang ating dv, yung natira? So, x minus 2 raised to 1 half, and then dx. Ano ang v? So, that is 3 halves, kasi 1 half plus 1. So, 3 halves. And then, x minus 2 raised to 3 halves. Check natin kung tama. Okay, tama tayo. So, So, substitute natin. So, equals. U. Ano yung U mo? Ito tayo, ha? Huwag ka muna mag-substitute ng limit. Ano ang U natin? X. And then, ano yung V natin? Times 3 halves. X minus 2 raised to 3 halves. And then, minus integral. Ano yung V? 3 halves. X minus 2 raised to 3 halves. And then, du. That is dx. Okay? So, this is 3 halves. Okay? Times x. Times x minus 2 raised to 3 halves. Nilabas ko lang yung constant. Okay? Minus. Okay? Ano integral niyan? 3 halves. Okay? Ano integral nito? Ang u mo ay yung x minus 2. So, 5 halves, ano? So, x minus 2 raised to 5 halves all over 5 halves. Bakit ganon? Kasi plus 1 plus 2 over 2. Okay? So, minus 3 halves. I-reciprocal ko na to times 2 over 5. Okay? Pag ito, tinanggal mo, multiply mo doon, i-reciprocal mo na. So, 3 halves divide by 5 halves is equal to 3 halves times 2 all over 5. Yun yan, ano? Okay, minus. Ganyan yan. Okay? Sagot na ito, wala nang integral dyan, ha? So, x minus 2 and then raised to 5 halves. Now, apply mo yung limits ngayon. Ano ang limits? From 2 to 3. So, 3 over 2. Mag-apply na ng ng limits. 3 minus 2 raised to 3 halves minus. So, cancel to. So, 3 all over 5. Tapos, multiply by 3 minus 2 raised to 5 over 2. So, that is higher limit. Okay? Minus the lower limit. 3 over 2 times 2. 2 minus 2. And then, 3 halves. Minus 3 all over 5. And then, 2 minus 2 raised to 5 halves. Lower limit. Your lower limit is 0. Why? Kasi 0 yan eh, oh. 0, 0, diba? Okay? So, we have 0 raised to any number is 0. So, I have here now 9 over 2 times 1. Bakit? Oh, 1. And then raised to 3 half is 1. Minus 3 over 5. And then that is also multiplied by 1. So, I have 9 over 2 minus 3 over 5 is equal to, so I have here 10. Okay, post ko muna. Oh guys, correction, nagkamali ako. So, ito, nasa ilalim yung 3 halves, di ba? Pag dinala mo sa ibabaw, parang ito kanina, no? Pag dinala sa ibabaw, magkakabaligtad, magiging 2/5 yun, ganun. So, ito ay 2/3. So, kung ito ay 2/3, so x, okay, u, and then v, 2/3, okay? X minus 2 raised to 3 halves minus, and then this is 2/3, okay? And then x minus 2 raised to 3 halves dx. So, this is 2/3. So, 2/3. And then, this is also 2/3. And then, yan ay 2/5. Okay, hindi mo kakansilin. X minus 2. Okay, apply lang the limits. 2/3. 2/3. Okay, minus 2/3. So, this is, ilan ito? 4 over 15. Okay? 3 minus 2, 5 halves. So, minus 0 naman yan eh. Pero i-correct na lang din natin. So, 2/3. Ito ay 4 over 15. So, dito ay 2 na lang ang natira dito kasi yun ang cancel. Okay? Minus 1 yan. Times 1. And then dito ay 4 over 15. Okay? So, times 1 pa rin yan. So, equals ang 2 para maging 15 is 30 over 15. Diba? Minus ito ay 4 over 15. So, pag parehas ng denominator, 15 and then that is 26. So, kita nyo, parehas ng sagot. By parts and by substitution. Ito yung kanina substitution. Ito by parts. Okay? So, yung number 7 guys, yun ang quiz ninyo sa meeting number 9. So, dalawa ang quiz ninyo sa meeting number 9. Hindi na ako magsisend sa GC ha. Ano yung una? Yung number 5 kanina sa by parts. Okay? At saka ngayon ay number 7 sa by definite integral. Okay? Sasubmit yan sa Friday 9 PM. Okay? Yun ang quiz number 9 ninyo. Under meeting number 9. Okay?